Hi there, it's George here, and today this will be an update on my Sequoia plants that I grow from seed. You know, this is episode 8 already, and I'm doing really good after repotting. A friend asked me to do an update, and here we go. And I will show you all the Sequoia plants that I have. They're growing in the pot, but in the future I will have to plant all of them in the ground, in the garden. And like an experiment, I let one outside and I noticed it doing well. As you can see, the blue color on the leaves, stuff like that, that is because of the frost. But also noticed here some new buds on that sequoia tree, you know, and will wake up in a few months, I think. And I am doing that for the first time. I protecting my sequoia tree and I put it in a soft dust to make sure it will survive a winter in Moldova. So next update we'll see after a few months, and if we'll succeed, then all sequoia plants like this one I will let outside in winter time. But in the future I will have to plant these sequoia plants in the ground directly into the soil. So here we go, just an update after repotting. They are doing well. They didn't grow so much during the winter time because it's in dormancy, and it was actually. But now we are in springtime and I hope they will grow a little bit slowly by slowly, you know, but they are doing so well. And let me show you all these pots with sequoia close up. Look how beautiful they're looking together, and let's start with this one. This one is the biggest one and have grow some new leaves during the winter time, because when I did the live streams I moved this sequoia plant in my room to show you the plant. And the most beautiful sequoia tree that I have in my collection is this. And let me show you the grow. The new grow is there somewhere, and it is very beautiful. Look at what stem is more thick already. It's doing really good after repotting, and definitely need to shoot a picture and I will post on Instagram. And this sequoia tree I did grow around the banana pseudostem, you know, because I have many plants and I have nowhere to put plants, and I put those little pots with plants, I put over the plants with big pots. And anyway, it doesn't have very much light on the banana pseudostem, but so happy that a little bit growing, and that's awesome. Look at it, how healthy. And here we go, I did focus more on that new grow, as you can see here. Brilliant. Let's move to the next sequoia plant. The second one is this one. It is beautiful too. It grows on the windowsill, and it's not have so much leaves like the first one, but it is okay, and it will grow more leaves when all will wake up. So this pseudostem is not like very thick like the first one, but I will keep update on it. So beautiful. This is the third one, and if we look on the top on this one, as you can see how much leaves they will grow soon, I think, and should be grow tall, or I will see. It is for the first time when I grow sequoia from seed, but already has been some 2 years at least when I started from seed, but so looking now. Awesome. This is not so tall like the second one, but at the stem is thick, as you can see. Well, it's doing good. And the last one is here, as you can see. I noticed some dry on the top, dry leaves, but maybe I didn't water it at the time, and I should not let the soil get dry, and then I watered, and I hope it will do well in the future. Hope it will be not dry from the top, for example there. Anyway, looking beautiful and green, except for this leaf and another a few here. But the rest it is okay, and I can see buds here. That is awesome, and will grow soon. This is almost smallest that I have, but that smallest that I have protected from winter time is outside, more small than this one. Well, enjoyed that they are doing really good. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel, and hope you enjoyed my sequoia trees. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.